friends, Miss Dolphin here. I wanted to come on and teach you lesson 31 for math. So let's get started. We're going to read our objective first. Read with me. I can solve add to and put together problems with totals of 9 and 10. So some of our story problems are going to have a total of 9 and some of them will have a total of 10. So let's get our brains thinking about math by doing a little bit of fluency. Okay. Here we go. We're going to do this page. Okay, I'm just going to skip around, just do a couple to get our brains thinking. Okay, let's start here. 4 plus 1 equals. 4 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, let's skip down and do some subtraction. 4 minus 2 equals 4. Take away 2 equals 2. 2 left. 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3 more is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's jump over to the other side. 5 plus 0 equals 5 plus nothing more is still 5. So 5 plus 0 equals 5. We're going to do one more subtraction. Let's do this one. Blank equals 5 minus 4. So this time we're taking away. So we're going to start with 5 and take 4 away. Boop. How many's left? 1. Excellent. Okay, let's move on. We have 2 story problems that we're going to work on together, and then we'll do a practice problem together. Okay, here's my story problem. Now, Miss Dolphin is going to draw my picture instead of using my bears because my bears are being a little funny and they're not working very well for me. So let's read the story problem and then I'll just draw the picture. 6 bears were walking in the forest. Show the bears with counters. Okay, so I'm just going to draw circles. So I'm going to draw 6 circles because it says that 6 bears were walking in the forest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's read the rest. 3 more bears came to walk with them. Show the new bears with the counters. How many bears were walking? Okay, so we started with 6 bears. 6 friends were walking in the forest and 3 more bears come to join them. So let me change my color, change it to brown, because we have black bears and brown bears. And it says 3 more, so I'm going to draw 3 more circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, excellent. Now all we have left to do is count how many bears were walking all together, and then we need to write it in our number sentence. So help me count how many bears are in the forest now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bears are walking in the forest all together. So now we just need to fill in our number sentence. Remember, part plus part equals whole. Part plus part equals whole. Okay, so first we started with 6 bears walking in the forest. We have 6 black circles. So I'm going to write the number 6 in my first part. Plus, how many more bears came walking in the forest? It says 3 more. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So we're going to write 3. Backwards C, backwards C. Now that's a 3. 6 plus 3 equals how many there were all together. And we had counted 9 before, but let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Circle in a straight line is 9. So let's read this together. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Excellent, friends. Let's do one more story problem together. Okay, read with Miss Dolphin. 3 bears were sleeping and 7 bears were playing. Show your groups of bears with your counters. How many bears in all? Okay, so we have some bears, but they're not all doing the same thing. Some of them are sleeping and some of them are playing. So I'm going to split my paper into two parts, like this. Boop. I'm going to put my sleeping bears over here and my playing bears over here. So again, I'm going to draw circles to show my bears because these little guys over here are not working for me. So 3 bears were sleeping. So on this side, I'm going to draw the sleeping bears. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 sleeping bears. Now on this side, these are the ones that are playing. And as I look back at my question, it said that 7 bears are playing. So I'm going to change my color. Let's see, how about orange? Okay, and I'm going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we had 3 bears that were sleeping and 7 bears that are playing. So now the only thing that we have left to do is count how many bears there were in all. So how many were sleeping and playing all together, and write our numbers in our number sentence. So let's count how many we have in all. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 bears all together. So now we need to plug in those numbers into our number sentence. Now, Miss Dolphin already labeled each side of my picture with how many were sleeping and how many were playing. So I'm just going to take those two numbers and plug them into my parts of my number sentence. Because remember, part plus part equals whole. So I'm going to take my 3 were sleeping, plus 7 are playing, equals, and we said there are 10 bears all together. So I'm going to write my whole after the equal sign. A 1 and a 0 together makes a 10. So read it with Miss Dolphin. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Excellent. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now give me a 10. Excellent. Okay, one last thing we're going to do. Let's do a practice problem. Here we go. I'm going to do this one with you, and I'm going to send this one for you to try on your own, okay? So let's read first. It says, draw the story, fill in the number sentence. So read with Ms. Dolphin. Zane had 6 round crackers and 3 square crackers. How many crackers did Zane have in all? Okay, so first we need to draw our picture. It says that Zane was eating some crackers, okay? Some were round and some were square. So I'm gonna start by drawing my round crackers. It said that there were 6 round crackers, so help me count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to change my color. How about red? And then it said that there were 3 square crackers. So I'm going to draw squares, 3 of them. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it wants to know how many crackers did Zane have in all. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He had 9 crackers in all. Last thing we have to do is fill in our number sentence. Now, remember, part plus part equals whole. The whole is how many circle and square crackers he had in all. The parts are how many round ones there were and how many square ones there were. So let's go back and count the round crackers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 goes in our part. Plus how many square ones he had. 1, 2, 3. Plus 3. equals how many he had in all. And we said 9, but let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. And remember, when you count, you touch and count each one. Don't count too fast. Okay, so let's read this number sentence all together. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Excellent. Okay, now this is the one that I want you to try on your own. Ms. Dolphin is going to send the worksheet in your messenger. Don't forget to send it back to me so that you can get credit and some JoJo points. Please let me know if you have any questions. Okay, happy adding, my friends. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.